Hello friends, welcome to yet another video on SEBI Grade A exam series from Finance MCQ. I am CA Pritam Singh Sangwan and today we will be discussing some of the important MCQ questions from finance topic of your SEBI exam paper 2 technical syllabus. Friends, this technical syllabus is of 100 marks in phase 1 and it has 2/3 weightage in phase 2 of your SEBI Grade A exam. And friends, you can find entire technical syllabus of SEBI Grade A exam chapter wise, topic wise on Finance MCQ website in MCQ question format. You can visit the website and practice entire technical syllabus there. I have put the website link in the description box below. So let's begin and try to solve the MCQ questions along with me. Question number 1. Dash is open-ended scheme which invest majority of the total assets in the underlying funds. A. Hybrid fund. B. Gilt fund. C. Floater fund. D. Fund of fund. E. None of these. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option D, fund of fund. Friends, it is a pool of funds which invest in other funds available in the market. Question number 2. Which of the followings are functions of SEBI? A. Regulation of takeover bids by companies. B. Undertaking research and publicizing information for market participants. C. Undertaking steps for investors' protection. D. Developing code of conduct and fair practices for intermediaries. E. All of the above. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option E, all of the above. Friends, option A is regulatory function of SEBI, while option B is development function, and remaining C and D are protective functions of SEBI. So remember this point. Question 3. If a bond's coupon rate is more than its YTM, then the bond is selling at A. Par, B. Premium, C. Discount, D. Any of the above, E. None of the above. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option B, premium. Friends, it means bond interest rate is more than its yield rate and it's available in the market at more than its face value. Question number 4. What do you mean by rolling settlements? A. Settlement mechanism of grievances of investors by SEBI. B. Mechanism of settling trades done on a stock exchange. C. Intraday investment strategies for share traders. E. Theory of crashes in stock market. E. None of the above. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option B, mechanism of settling trades done on a stock exchange. Friends, usually trading settlements take place in T plus 2 days. So remember this point. Question 5. Dash is a stock market index indicator of BSE. A. Nifty. B. Sensex. C. Dow Jones. E. FTSE index. Or E. None of the above. So what's the correct answer? It's option B, Sensex. Friends, Nifty is of NSE, Dow Jones Index is of United States, Financial Times Stock Exchange, FTSE is a share index of companies listed in London Stock Exchange. So just remember these points. Question 6. BSE Sensex is a market weighted stock market index of dash companies. A. 20, B. 50, C. 30, D. 15, E. 60. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option C, 30. Friends, and Nifty has 50 index. So just remember these 2 points. Question 7. Appeal against order passed by SEBI can be lodged with A. Supreme Court, B. High Court of the State, C. Securities Appellate Tribunal, D. District Magistrate, E. Prime Minister's Office. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option C. Friends, any order of SEBI can be first challenged into Securities Appellate Tribunal. So remember this point. Question 8. Management board of SEBI consists of dash members? A 3, B 5, C 9, D 10, E 7. So what's the correct answer? It's option C 9. Friends, it is very important questions from your exam point of view, so do remember it. Question 9. Advisory Committee on Mutual Funds were formed by SEBI during July 2020 under chairmanship of A. Miss Usha Thorout, B. Kumar Mangalam Birla, C. Ratan Tata, D. Professor Jayant R. Verma, E. None of the above. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's A. Miss Usha Thorout. Friends, she was an ex-deputy governor of RBI and now chairman of Advisory Committee on Mutual Funds. Question 10. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding cash management bill? Option A. They are money market instruments having maturity of less than 91 days. B. Issued by RBI on behalf of government. C. They are not eligible as SLR securities. D. They are issued at a discount and redeemed at face value. E. None of the above. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option C. They are not eligible as SLR securities. But in fact, friends, cash management bills are recognized as an eligible investment in government securities by bank for SLR purpose under section 24 of Banking Regulation Act 1949. So remember this question. Friends, if you want to practice more such type of MCQ questions from your technical syllabus, I request you to kindly visit Finance MCQ website. It has entire SEBI Grade A exam technical syllabus in MCQ format, 2000 plus subject wise, topic wise MCQ questions to practice. It has explanations for correct answers wherever required, 25 test series technical syllabus, and each test series are having 20 to 25 questions. So friends, don't miss this golden opportunity and increase your selection chances significantly. Website link is in the description box below, and if you have any questions, please write in the comment box below and I will try to address them, and I will come up with new MCQ questions to practice on SEBI Grade A exam. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.